guys, it's Jody Fitz. We're going to make a smoothie bowl for back to school. I call this the Peanut Butter and Jelly Smoothie Bowl. So I'm using my blender. You can also use a food processor. We're going to use a nice heaping full cup of frozen fresh strawberries. You can find it right in the freezer aisle at your Price Chopper Market 32 stores. I'm using a cup of Greek vanilla yogurt, a quarter cup of honey, and a splash of vanilla extract. And really, that's the base of this particular recipe. It's quick and it's easy. We're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna blend this up until it's like a soft serve ice cream. All right, now that it's all done blending, I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this into my bowl. All right, now I'm gonna build my smoothie bowl with lots of great toppings. I'm gonna start with some granola. You can use your favorite granola. Put that to one edge. I'm gonna use some organic coconut flakes. All of these toppings, of course, are optional depending on your taste buds. I'm gonna add some chia seeds. I like to use a little bit of ground flaxseed. And because this is the peanut butter and jelly smoothie bowl, we're gonna grab a couple of tablespoons of peanut butter, and then we're gonna top it off with some beautiful fresh strawberry slices. All right, stay tuned at the Price Chopper Market 32 Kids Cooking Club for more great ideas for back to school.